layer porn.
Wow, nice benchy, man. Mom, where's all the hairspray?
It's PLA, food safe. Do you feel sick? Not yet.
Everything I print is useless. What do you mean? Hey look, it's Joel. High five. What? Hey bro, you got a link for that? What's wrong with this print? I think I got my retraction settings messed up. I'll just try this out in the oven. You got a link for that?
What's wrong with this?
Bro, it's your retraction settings. Is that on Thingiverse? Dude, you got a link? Why is this PLA so brittle? I've only had it out for like 2 years. How do I get this off the glass? How? Is that enough hairspray? Just one more 3D benchy.